Security guards are still required even inside the Mogadishu stadium, but Zamzam Farah and Mohamed Hassan feel safe enough to train. The two of them make up the Somali Olympic team. In London, they'll be running in the open air, but during the war against Al-Shabaab in Mogadishu, that wasn't possible.
Then we were staying at our homes. When the fighting had ended, we tried to begin our training. Then we were making, and now the country or the city, it's good.
Their coach even received death threats.
Atleetikada ma ogolo, horumarinta bulshada ma ogolo, wax soo saar ma ogolo. Waxay ogol yihiin oo aan ahayn in dadka la gowraco.
Now that it's safer in Mogadishu and the Olympics are no longer taboo, more and more Somalis are taking up sport. But there are hardly any facilities in the Somali capital. Sheep and goats compete with the runners who are trying to improve their times. Young athletes stumble over the gravel. But that's nothing compared to what happened to 3 members of the Somali Olympic Committee who were killed in a bomb attack by Al-Shabaab 3 months ago. Now these athletes are determined to do their utmost to fulfill their Olympic dream.
If God wishes, I hope that we will be in a more people who will participate in every Olympic Games which held in every country.
Hadda Olympic kan ma filayo bilada dahabka inaan qaadi doono. Waa laga yaabaa laakiin adiga qalinka iyo maarta iyo waa laga yaabaa bilada dahabka waa hadda xilligan way adag tahay laakiin kan kale xiga aad iyo aad u rajaynayna.
These Somalis are used to running for their lives. Now they'll be running for the glory of their country.